So today we are flushing out a water heater here at a customer's home. The first thing you want to do always is turn off the power to the water heater. So cut it off at the breaker. Once you got it cut off at the breaker, you can hook your pump up to this bottom valve here. So now we have our hose ran outside to the yard. So we're gonna open up the valve here on the bottom of the water heater with the screwdriver. Once you got that opened up, we're gonna kick on our pump and then let this run until the water heater is not putting out any more water. So now that we've got the water heater all the way drained out, we'll need to refill it before we fire it off. And then you'll do that just by grabbing this valve right up top, slowly opening that up. And at the same time as you're doing this, you want to make sure that you have a bathroom faucet open on the hot side. So that way we can get all the air out of the water heater and make sure that this is going to fire up without having any problems.